Look at the 8th sentence. Who is the president of India? So here इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? दिस इज इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. मैंने डिफाइन करा था ना पहले भी कि डेक्लेरेटिव इम्पेरेटिव सारे अलग अलग होते हैं. सो हियर द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज द सब्जेक्ट. हु इज, दिस इज अ प्रेडिकेट. पुलिस डॉग्स आर ट्रेन्ड टू ट्रैक क्रिमिनल्स डाउन. सो पुलिस डॉग, we're talking about police dogs now. This is subject, rest of the part is predicate. Switch off the lights, this is imperative. Here the subject is understood. ठीक है, so this is predicate. Now move to the next exercise. Identify the subject in each of these sentences. We just have to underline the subject here. All right, in this exercise. Can I call you after lunch? क्या मैं आपको lunch के बाद call कर सकती हूँ? So here the subject is I. So simply you have to underline I. Second, did you do your homework? You. Alright, here you is what? Subject. Notice the helping verb did is coming before the subject because this is interrogative. Here also in the first sentence, ठीक है? So here the helping verb will come before the subject. Main verb is after that only. So third, would you like some ice cream? You, subject. Fourth, stop. Now here also this is exclamatory sentence. Subject is understood. Okay. So fifth, don't walk on grass. Again imperative. Subject is understood here also. Sixth, Revati is going to the mall. Here Revati is the subject. किसी का name है. Seventh, I'm tired. So here I is your subject. Okay. Come here at once. This is again imperative. There is subject is understood here also. Maybe it should be you come here at once. So you should be the subject. That is understood. Ninth, will Sandy go with you? क्या Sandy तुम्हारे साथ जाएगा? Questionatory sentence है. Sandy. Helping verb is here again. Alright. So Sandy is the subject. 10th sentence. Tell Naveen I'm waiting here. So here I is what? I is your subject. Okay. 11th. Stand on your head. Again this is imperative. This is here also the subject is understood. 12th, how talented these children are. So subject is exclamatory है ना, helping verb से पहले आता है इसमें subject. I have explained to you in the rules. These children. Alright. 13th, does the dog love its master? Does is helping verb here now and this is the subject, the dog. Fine. Questionatory है तो it will be followed by a, the subject will be followed by a helping verb. 14th, the scientists are studying these whales. The scientist is the subject here. Okay. What a splendid boat it is. Exclamatory है. So here boat is the subject. Alright. So these two exercises we have completed today. C and D. Solve these exercises using a pencil, write neatly and also revise your grammar concepts side by. We have completed 2 chapters, the sentence and subject and predicate. Revise these 2 chapters. You can also find few exercises on the internet to solve for extra practice. Okay, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.